The world has been changing so fast in the last few years that sometimes even making a financial decision feels difficult. One day, everyone talks about crisis. The next day, everyone talks about new opportunities. And most people keep asking the same question. Okay, but what am I supposed to do? If that question has ever been on your mind, you're in the right place. Because now I'm going to show you the 5 trends that will shape our money, our future, and the entire year of 2026 in the simplest and clearest way possible. And this isn't a prediction. These things have already started. Let's begin with the first trend, something we all feel. Money is harder to earn, but technology is moving faster than ever. For example, companies used to throw money at every idea. Now they're much more careful, but at the same time, AI tools, automation, robots, new software, they're exploding. This creates a strange situation. There are amazing ideas everywhere, but everyone is cautious. And here's the interesting part. Big opportunities appear exactly in moments like this. Think about the early investors who bought NVIDIA before the hype started, when demand for AI chips was just beginning to rise. They didn't guess, they saw read the signs. In 2026, similar opportunities will appear in places that sound boring. Automation tools for small businesses, affordable robots, AI systems that handle office work. These aren't things that sound exciting, but they're exactly the things that make money. The second big trend is something you can see clearly around you. One salary is no longer enough. That's why people everywhere are starting small side projects. One friend is freelancing, another sells digital products, another opened a tiny online shop. Because everyone finally realized this, depending on one income is risky. But even a small side income, $150 or $200 a month, gives incredible confidence. It doesn't make you rich, but it makes you feel safer. In 2026, even more people will build their own mini economy. Those who don't will feel the world getting more expensive faster. The third trend is about technology creating a new type of gap, not between rich and poor, but between those who use tools and those who don't. This is very real. One person finishes a task in 1 hour using AI tools. Another spends 5 hours doing the same thing. One person manages their portfolio through apps. Another still follows random advice online. One person writes CVs, emails, business plans with AI. Another struggles for hours. This isn't about intelligence, it's about tools. People who use AI work faster, make better decisions, and save time. Those who don't fall behind. In 2026, the winners won't be the most talented people, they'll be the people who use the best tools. Now let's talk about the fourth trend, which is actually extremely simple. The global economy has been in an expensive period for years. Interest rates were high, borrowing was difficult, investors were scared, everyone was waiting. But no economic cycle lasts forever. 2026 is the beginning of a new cycle. Interest rates slowly easing, new businesses being created, long-term assets waking up again. These periods often look boring from the outside, but historically, the people who made the most money were the ones who positioned themselves during these quiet transitions. Because when everyone is scared, opportunities appear silently. And the final trend, I think it's the most important one. People are tired of gambling with their money. Everyone is done with get-rich-overnight stories. People want safer, more logical investments, cash-flowing businesses, energy companies, infrastructure, healthcare, renewable energy. Even those boring tech companies are becoming attractive again. Because people finally learn something. Stories don't pay bills, profit does. In 2026, the people who win will be the ones making calm, logical decisions instead of emotional ones. So why do these 5 trends matter? Because together they're saying one thing: the world is changing, but that doesn't have to hurt you. You can build your own small economy. You can use new tools to multiply your time. You can make decisions without panic. And when you understand these trends, opportunities become clearer. You stop acting randomly because now you understand what's actually happening. And people who take even small steps toward this always end up ahead of everyone else.